Welcome, today I'm showing how to unblock phone number into XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro. First of all, open your phone application. Then, in the top right corner we got 3 dots. Tap it and choose settings. Oh, one more time. Sorry. Tap it and choose settings. Then here, choose block numbers. And how you can see here I've got 2 numbers. So for unlocking this number, click here on the right side. And confirm operation, click unblock one more time. Maybe let's try it again. This number, click here on the right side, unblock this number, confirm operation, tap unblock one more time, and that's it. So easy, right? Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.